Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. So let's discuss our today topic that is chapter number 5. So here we have different type of angles, alternative angles, alternative interior angle, corresponding angles, all this. So we will discuss all these things in this chapter today. Let's start. First of all, these things are not shown in your screen, okay, or not in your book. These are the definition. Just because of your understanding, I will tell you. Alternative angles are the angles that are opposite position relative to the transversal intersection of two lines. Okay, let's suppose you have two lines. Okay, so it's the intersection lines. So, what is this? He said alternative. Okay, alternate. If the alternative angle in between two lines intersection by the transversal, they are called alternative interior angles. Let's suppose if there is a two lines and these are the angle and you can cut intersection lines and there is one that is inside that is called interior angle, or okay, the other is exterior. Okay, so this one, any angle is here, the same angle should be there. Any angle is there, the same angle should be other side. Corresponding angles which occupy the same relative position at each intersection where a straight line crosses two others. If the two lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are parallels. Here we have some examples. Okay, so you just tell us which one is corresponding and which one is not corresponding. That is just for the memorizing. So before this, I will show you one more thing. Okay, in this example, the most important thing is, let's suppose you have a triangle and you can cut this triangle into three parts. Okay, and from angle side then you can put together, so it's all equal to 180 because the sum of triangle is always equal to 180 degree. And the parallel lines are those lines that are in this means like if any line is here on the other side, the same line, same length, but that is on the parallel side, little bit away from that side. Transverse, a third straight line across them is called transverse. This line, okay, the third line is called transverse. This is a transversal line. Now, angle mark A and E is called corresponding. In this side, this one A and this one E is called corresponding. Okay, and also D and H, D and H are also corresponding. Other one is alternative. Corresponding angles are equal. The angle marked by D and F, where is D and F? D and F means opposite, that makes Z. Okay, that makes Z, that is called what we call it, yeah, alternative. Okay, remember this thing, the shape of alternative is F and the shape of corresponding is F. Okay, so they will make a shape like F shape, and because B and F and C and G is also corresponding. Alternative, they will make the F shape like you can see from here to here. Okay, or here to here, here to here, or here to here. So these are all F shapes, so these are all called corresponding, and if anything is here, the other side of this is there, that is corresponding. And if you make a Z shape from this side and other this side is called alternative. Why I teach you this? Because this is very important. Now here we have a first example. The diagram showed two parallel lines and two transversal lines. Fill in the missing. First of all, there are two parallel lines. These are two parallel lines and transversal line that cancel. Okay, one is this one and other is this one. Let me show you one more thing. Okay, A and dash are corresponding. Means he will draw one line here, here, and other line here and there. Okay, these are transverse. So we just find corresponding. He gave us first one is C. Where is C? This one is C. If this one is C, so it will make F like this. Okay, So opposite of this side is I. Okay. And if he's talking about D, so opposite of this one is L. Okay. And if he's talking about E, opposite of this one is not. There is no. Okay. So D, opposite of D is L, opposite of C is I. Okay. And he's talking about alternative. Alternative makes Z from here, here, and here. If this one is C, so the other one is F. Okay. And D, and which one? If here is D, other one is G. Okay, so you can see the answers here. Same like this, we will solve this. Write down the four pair of corresponding, four pairs of corresponding. So you just make F. Okay, so this one is W and other is S. First one is W and S. W and S. Next one is R and V and V. Next one is T and P and Q and U. Okay, so that is for your corresponding. Now for alternative, we will make set from here, here, and here. So T and R. Next one is Q and W. R and T. W and Q. Okay, so let's see we are right or wrong. First one P and T, and this one T and P, Q and U, S and W, and R and V. Okay, next one is QW and RW, because QW and WQ same, R and T and T and R are same. Okay, so I hope all of you understand this. As it is same, you will try to do it the new one, new exercise. In this diagram, the size of one angle is 62. Okay, what is the size of? Copy and complete each of the sentences. So first of all, if we make a corresponding, okay, so D is also 62, so we mentioned there, this one is also 62. If we are talking about F, so B is also 62. Okay, so B is also 62. So this straight line is equal to 180. So 180 minus 62. So that is your E. That is equal to 118. If this one is 18, 118. So what is the other one? Other is one is also 118. Okay. Now, with the help of this, we can easily solve this one. Let's see we are right or wrong. B and D. Look at here. B and D are same. Okay. Because of the alternative are equal, the angle equal to 62. Yes. So which angle is equal to 62? Oh, sorry, we forget. We just mentioned the angle only. Okay. For corresponding, B, and for alternative D. Okay, in the diagram, the size of the two angles are marked. What are the other angles of 105? Other angle of this one is Q. Q. Other angle of 75 is P, I think. Because 75 is here, the other is also the same. Or you can also set like that, R, sorry. You also say like, because if I am talking about corresponding, okay, let me move down, otherwise it's a problem. Yeah, if I will make a R, okay, so sorry, corresponding, so this one is R, and yes, this one is R, and if I am talking about, and from this side 75, this one is equal to, S is also equal to the same one, S is also equal to the same one. Let me write, okay, this one I write here R, and S I write here, so 75 is for S, okay. If I'm making a Z, so P is also equal to S, P is also equal to S, and if I'm making this one, so Q is also making R, okay. And if I'm making F again, so Q and U and P and T. So let's check either we are right or wrong. 6. Look at here. RQU, RQUR, PST. Okay. So same like this, you will solve all these type of examples. Okay, do it by yourself. This is not, it's not too difficult. Let me show you the answers. Okay. Now question number 1. Here are the answers of question number 1. Same as it is, you will solve question number 2. Here are the answers of question number 2. So these are so simple questions. You will make F, you will make Z, F for corresponding, Z for alternative. So here are the examples. This one, question number 7 and 8, that is its answer. Question number 9, let's solve any one part of question number 9. He said, say whether the mark of these letters are corresponding to be alternative or neither of these. Corresponding, alternative, or not of any one of these. So C and G, C part. C and G, where is C and G? This one is called C, this will make F, okay? So it's called corresponding, okay? D and E, D and E. This one is called alternative, okay? Look at here, corresponding, this one is alternative, okay? So as it is same, you will solve all this. Now let's talk about explaining the angles of property 2. Here are the proof. We have this proof. So what we will do here in this, the before this we are talking about triangle. So the sum of triangle is equal to 180, but the sum of quadrilateral means four-sided, equal to 360, because with the help of this we will make uh, triangle. Okay, look at here. One triangle is equal to 180, and the two triangle is equal to, one is here and other is here, equal to 360. Okay, so with the help of this, you will know all these things. Let me erase this. Let's move to the next page. Here we have first examples. Any angle. Yeah, one most important thing. The sum of the two other angles, okay, equal to the exterior angle of this one. Okay. So 45 plus 80, that is equal to this angle. So 80 plus 45, that is equal to 125. So that is equal to 125. You will see later on, so you understand it. Now, here we have two sides, so the other side is also equal to 40. Let's check either we are right or wrong. Look at here, 125 and 40. Okay, same like this one is exterior, so you will minus this in this case, because you need to find, because 134 minus 86 equal to C. So what is answer? So C is equal to, you will write its answer. Let me check. I hit that I have calculator. So I write a 134 minus 86. So I will get my answer 848. Okay. So here I write 48. So I hope all of you understand this. It's so easy, not tough. So you can solve by yourself. Same like this exterior angle. So you have this 108 minus 35. You will get this answer. Okay. One of the interior angle is 35, so other you can also find. And with the help of this, you can also find this one, because sum of angle is equal to 180. Okay, here are the answers of your questions. This all is answer. So question number 4, it's also so easy. Explain why XAB are equal and ABC are equal. ABC, ABC are equal. Okay, yeah. So easy, because they are alternative. Okay, and why this one equal? Because this is also alternative. Okay, alternative means this will make a Z shape. Okay, and the other one also make a Z shape. Explain why the angles of triangle ABC add up to 180 degree, because this angle equal to 180, and the other angles are also equal to 180, because that will make a straight line. So question 4, 5, 6, 7, you will do it by yourself. That is so easy. You will know alternative and corresponding. So this will help you to understand what is alternative, what is corresponding. Here you will make a Z shape. Okay, so with the help of this, you can also find, these two angle. Once you add these, you will make the X, and sum of the angle is equal to 180 degrees. So with the help of this, here are the answers. So you can easily solve by yourself. This one is question number 8. That is its answer. So like that, you will solve all these things. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye. See you in the next class.